Hello, in the following several videos we will introduce how to work with the FBX characters and animations in Minecraft. And for the first one, let me introduce how to import the standard character to the Minecraft. So what is the standard characters? That means some character, for example, like the character in Mixamo, or some characters from the mannequin character in Unreal Engine 4. And of course, including the human IK or the biped character in 3D Studio Max. And in this video, we only talk about how to work with the Mixamo and Unreal Engine 4 character. So they are most commonly used in your daily works. So let's do that. Let's first open the Mixamo, the website, and the register, and go to the character page and select any one of the character. For example, there's this Eli. And we needed to download it first because we cannot share with you due to the license. Let's click the download with the FBX format and the T-pose. Okay, after downloading, let's go to the folder. Go to this folder and drag this file to the 3D viewport of this Minecraft, and you can see this character has been displayed in the 3D viewport. And let's open our mapping window and check out the mapping. You can see because this character is standard, our system automatically finds a template for this character. The template including the mapping data for this character. You can see all of this, the primary joint, and has been mapped. And the color is green out there, and you can see our system automatically find one of the most matched the template for this character, the Mixamo, and related there are 105 the bones that match the template, and they go to the T-pose automatically. And let's just click the save. At this times, if we click this save button, we save this all of the mapping data from this character, the template, to the scene. So you can see in the middle, the 3D view is kind of the simple scene in the Minecraft concept. We are going to talk about them in the detail later. And let's close this and upload this file, Eli, and rename it. So this character has been uploaded completely, and click it. Let's open the mapping window. You can see that at this time our system will not find any one of the template for this character. Instead, it will read from scene. You can see all of the mapping and the T-pose information has been stored into the specific the resource. So that's the most important concept. So let's close that. And here you can see that we have this character and the mapping data. At this time, we can enable this merge tool and find any one of this motion in the animation library. So for example, let's find this one. So you can see we can merge the character with this the motions in the library. Any one of them is fine. And then let me introduce how to work with the Unreal Engine 4, the mannequin character. Let's turn this off and go to the character page and go to the Unreal Engine 4. Let's first select the assets of the SK mannequin and right click on this one and export the assets as an FBX. So let's go to the G drive and the AC resource. You can download it from the Google and export this FBX. You can find there's already have one. Of course, you can save it as another name, for example, 2. Let's save it and leave everything by default. And then let's go to this folder, the G drive, AC, the resource, and then sample here. And you can drag and drop this SK mannequin character to the 3D viewport of this Minecraft, and you can see this character is displayed in the ready for import mode. And of course, we can first upload this character to our library, for example, SK mannequin. And then let's select that and open the mapping window and check out the mapping. at the first time you open that, our system will automatically find the template for you. And you can see the uegame.zrt template has been found and applied to this character. So the most matched version. And once we click this button, and you can see all of this information will be written into the scene. And if we open the scene again, and all of the mapping data and the T-pose data will be read in from the file itself. And so sometimes you can see this character is a little bit above from the horizon. We can move them back. Here, pelvis. Just to put him like this place. And click save. You can see that if we click the save, the character will be stand on the ground. At this times we can enable the merge mode and merge this character to any one of the motions in our library. For example, this one. And of course we can export this animation to the Unreal Engine or as separately as the FBX. Okay, this is an introduction for how to import the standard character into the Minecraft. And in the next video, we're going to introduce how to import the standard animations to the Minecraft. See you again. Thank you.